Hello everyone, and then welcome to this lesson on our AR projects using Adobe Aero. So in this lesson, or in our previous lesson, we learned to actually toggle the visibility of our UI to show. Now we want to hide them, okay? So remember in our previous lessons, we had the close icon, okay? So let's play with that. So we have to go to our trigger. So first we want to hide, or let's do the hiding for this one first. So the lysosome, the group has the close, okay, lyso close, okay. Usually the naming, let's actually name it well. So let's use this kind of naming convention instead, just so we know lyso is for the lysosome and then the close is for the close icon. Okay, so we can caps um, two words or more words. Okay, I think it's something in programming. Yeah. So lysosome. Now let's go to trigger on tab. What's on tab? So let's come here and then look for the lyso close. So lyso close, okay. Lyso close, lyso close, okay. So when that close icon is clicked, what do we want to do? We want to close the group. We want to hide it. So let's come here, hide. Okay, since it's already selected, it automatically selects what is selected. Okay. So lyso, so that group, so the entire group, including the lyso icon. Remember, the lyso group has the lyso UI and then the lyso icon. Okay, which is why we had to group our projects to make things easier. Other than that, we would have done them. We would have added another trigger to just add that. Okay, so now let's work on the plasmic reticulum. Okay, so we'll go to our trigger first, or let's try it. Let's use the close. Okay, so when endo close, okay, endo close, let's rename it. Close, I want the close to be caps. That's the C, just so we know. Yeah, there are two different ways. Okay, so endo close, we want what the entire endo group to hide. So we go to hide. Sorry, yeah, hide. Okay, so basically that's it. Let's try previewing it. Okay, did you just see what happened? Let's try that again. So let's go back. Okay, so now let's work on that of our nucleus. So when our nucleus close is clicked, okay, so trigger, tab, nucleus, new. So I name it nucleus. Okay, nucleus. Okay, so you can see which is why I needed to name it well. So let's name it well. You can see this perfectly named. So let's change this to the caps to C. That's for the C. Okay, nucleus. Okay. So when that is clicked, let's hide all of these. Okay. So let's go here, then hide. Hide. Okay. So it's going to hide. We can preview it here. Okay. So it's hidden and then it shows because there's a quick way. When you go to the preview here, you'll see it hidden. But to fast track things, let's try working on this one. Okay, so to work on the mitochondria, okay, so let's go. So mitochondria, let's see, mid close one. So let's go to trigger on top. Okay, we want it to hide its own UI, so its group. So hide, that's hidden. We also want to hide this one too. That's a mid video. So let's click it to make things easier. Hide. We want to hide the GIF, hide, and then we want to hide this one too. Hide. Now let's go and preview everything and then let's see if our project is on track. So the nucleus, We click, it closes. The mitochondria, okay, and I click, it hides everything. Okay, yeah, it needs to hide it. So let's go back. The organelle. So let's hide the organelle too. So let's click on this. Then let's hide it. Hide. Okay. And, let me try bringing it somewhere here. Okay. Then let's preview it for the last time. Close. Okay. So you can see everything is closed. Okay. For this, we didn't give it any close, but since you now know how to do that, maybe it can be your personal assignment to learn how to close or hide these ones. Okay. So let's see what we have next. So in the next lesson, we'll learn to add links. Okay, learn to add links. Then we'll also learn to, in the other lessons, we'll learn to animate our GIFs. So thank you.